Welcome back to another episode of AutoProTalks, the podcast where we dive deep into the world of automotive maintenance and repair. I'm your host, Steven, a seasoned automotive expert and co-founder of Prince Automobile Clinic. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is common car maintenance mistakes to avoid. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this informative journey together. Imagine this: you are cruising down the highway on a sunny day, feeling the wind in your hair and the open road ahead. Suddenly, your engine starts sputtering and smoke billows from beneath the hood. What a nightmare! This scenario, my friend, is the consequence of neglecting proper car maintenance. Excuse me. At Prince Automobile Clinic, we've seen it all, from simple oversights to costly blunders. People make a variety of mistakes when it comes to maintaining their vehicles. Today, we'll explore some of these common pitfalls and, most importantly, learn how to avoid them. So, let's kick things off with mistake number one: ignoring routine oil changes. Your car's engine is its heart and oil is its lifeblood. Skipping or delaying oil changes can lead to a host of problems: increased engine wear, decreased fuel efficiency, and even engine failure. Don't gamble with your engine's health. Regularly schedule those oil changes following the manufacturer's recommendations. Your engine will thank you with smooth performance and longevity. Mistake number two: neglecting tire maintenance. The tires are the only thing between your car and the road, so treating them well is crucial. Underinflated tires wear unevenly and decrease fuel efficiency, while overinflated ones compromise traction and increase the risk of a blowout. Remember, regularly check your tire pressure and tread depth. Rotate them as recommended and keep an eye out for signs of wear. The tires will reward you with a safer and more comfortable ride. Mistake number three: forgetting about the brakes. Picture this: you are driving down a deep steep hill and suddenly you need to stop, but your brakes feel spongy and panic sets in. Neglecting brake maintenance is a recipe for disaster. Regularly inspect your brake pads, rotor, and fluid levels. If you notice any signs of brake fade or reduced stopping power, don't delay. Get them checked by a professional immediately. Your safety and the safety of those around you depend on it. Now, let's move to mistake number four: overlooking the battery. Your car battery is like a silent hero, powering all the electrical systems in your vehicle, and however, it's often overlooked until it dies at the most inconvenient time. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are securely tightened. Consider getting a battery load test to check its health, especially if it's more than 3 years old. Trust me, you don't want to be stranded with a dead battery on a chilly, raining day. Mistake number five: neglecting regular maintenance intervals. Every vehicle comes with a maintenance schedule provided by the manufacturer. It outlines when specific services like fluid changes, filter replacement, and inspections should be performed. Ignoring these intervals is like throwing caution to the wind. Stick to the schedule and follow it diligently. By doing so, you will keep your car running smoothly, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and maintain its resale value. Now that we've explored some common car maintenance mistakes, let's shift our focus to avoiding them. The key lies in being proactive and establishing good habits. Here are a few tips to keep you on the right track. Tip number one: stay organized with a maintenance calendar. Whether it's a digital reminder or a good old-fashioned paper planner, having a dedicated calendar to track your car's maintenance needs can be a game changer. Set reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, and other routine tasks, so you never miss an important appointment. 2. Educate yourself about your car. Knowledge is power. My friend, take the time to familiarize yourself with your car's owner's manual. It's a treasure trove of valuable information about recommended maintenance, warning signs, and troubleshooting tips specific to your vehicle. Understanding your car's needs will empower you to make informed decisions and avoid common maintenance mistakes. Tip number 3: don't be afraid to ask for help. We all have our areas of expertise, and automotive maintenance might not be everyone's cup of tea. If you are unsure about a specific task or notice something unusual with your car, reach out to a trusted mechanic or schedule a professional inspection. Seek expert advice. Taking expert advice can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches down the road. Now, let's touch upon the potential consequences of neglecting proper car maintenance. Picture this: you're driving to an important meeting and suddenly your engine overheats, leaving you stranded on the road, on the side of the road. Neglecting routine maintenance can result in unexpected breakdowns, costly repairs, and even compromising your safety and the safety of others on the road. By avoiding these risks and staying on top of maintenance, you will enjoy a reliable and trouble-free driving experience. Before we wrap up today's episode, let's me share a quick story from our Prince Automobile Clinic. We had a customer who ignored regular oil changes, thinking they were an unnecessary expense. Unfortunately, their neglect led to severe engine damage and an expensive repair bill. This incident served as a wake-up call for them and us, reinforcing the importance of spreading awareness and proper car maintenance. So, dear listener, let's make a pact today. Let's prioritize the health of our vehicles by avoiding common maintenance mistakes and staying proactive. Remember, a little effort today can save you a lot of trouble tomorrow. That's all for today's episode of AutoProTalks. I hope you found our discussion on common car maintenance mistakes enlightening and empowering. If you have any questions, stories to share, or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, reach out to us on our website or social media channels. Before we go, I'd like to extend a special thanks to all our loyal listeners who have shared their experiences and provided valuable feedback. Your support fuels our passion for helping car owners like you. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and keep those engines pouring like kittens. This is Steven from Prince Automobile Clinic signing off. Remember, proper car maintenance is the road to worry-free motoring. Peace out.